India.
First ever bowls medal. And widely celebrated here. Back at home all across India. It's been a long time coming. Lovely Tubely. Played so well. Supported at the front end by Pinky. Nayan Moni Saikia was the third.
Nayan Moni Saikia.
The lady who played so many good bowls. Rupa Rani Turkey skipped for the Indian four. Here win. The women's gold medal. Commonwealth Games Birmingham 2022 to take home with them as well. First nation to win a medal at long bowls, the 12th to win gold.